Hello and welcome to PRG Management's tutorial on our Residence Center. To access the Residence Center, log in via our homepage prg-management.com. Once logged in, you can make a payment, set up autopay. For fastest response on all inquiries or maintenance requests, create a resident request. In the Documents Center, you can view all important documents for your community and chat with the rest of the community in the forum. If you have any questions or issues, please feel free to give our office a call at 312-600-8896.